अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, how many moles of lead nitrate is needed to produce 224 liters of oxygen at STP? How many moles of lead nitrate? अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन है, PbNO3 lead nitrate on dissociation PbO plus NO2 plus O2. अच्छा, balance this equation. PbNO3 taken twice gives rise to PbO plus NO2 plus O2. अच्छा, ऑक्सीजन काउंट करो, 3 into 2 6 है, यहाँ 4 है, यहाँ 4 plus 5 है। अच्छा, ये मैं ये काम करूंगा, ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा। अच्छा, टोटल 2 PbNO3 taken twice है, number of lead atoms are 2 है, shall I multiply with 2? Number of nitrogen atoms are 2 है, 4 है, shall I multiply with 4? The number of oxygen atoms are 12 है, यहाँ 2 है, देखो यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ 8 है, 10 plus 2 12. Now once again you check the balance again, whether the reaction is balanced or not. The reaction is balanced or not. 2 Pb, 2 Pb, 4 nitrogen. Oxygens are 2 into 6 12. Yeah, 2, 4 into 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4 12. Now comparing. Now your comparison is lead nitrate and O2. Comparison is. अच्छा, 2 moles of lead nitrate use 1 mole of O2 at STP. For your kind of information, 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. अच्छा, 2 moles of lead nitrate gives a 22.4 liters of O2 at STP. But question is asked, 224 liters of O2 at STP, then how many number of moles of lead nitrate? This is the question is asked. So 224 divided by 22.4 into 2. अच्छा, once 10 times. अच्छा, which is equal to 20. Note करो. So now how many moles of lead nitrate is needed to produce 224 liters of oxygen at STP's answer is 20 moles is required. Note करो, चलो. How many moles of lead nitrate is needed to produce 224 liters of oxygen at STP? Question number 1. How many moles of lead nitrate is needed? Just you have to know the basic equation. The rest is calculations only. Once you know this one, calculations seems to be very easy for you. चलो next. Note करो. 2 moles of lead nitrate gives 1 mole of O2 at STP. 2 moles of lead nitrate 22.4 liters of O2 at STP. अच्छा, but given 224 liters of oxygen, then how many moles of O2? Sir, how many moles of lead nitrate? Very simple था. Next question. Calculate amount of 50% sulfuric acid required to decompose 25 grams of marble. अच्छा, calculate amount of 50% sulfuric acid required to decompose 25 grams of marble. अच्छा, marble कौन है? अच्छा, marble is limestone है. Marble is limestone है. अच्छा, marble is so sulfuric acid required to decompose marble. Sulfuric acid required है. Shall we write this equation like calcium sulfate plus CO2 plus H2O. This is a balanced chemical equation according to the given statement. Now for your kind of information, acha 1 mole of calcium carbonate marble required, 1 mole of sulfuric acid. देखो 1 mole of calcium carbonate weight कितना है 100 grams. 1 mole of sulfuric acid weight कितना है 98 grams. 98 grams है. But in order to decompose 25 grams of marble, 25 grams of marble, how much amount of sulfuric acid is required? Achha, required is nothing but 25 divided by 100 into 98. Achha, 98 by 4. 98 by 4. Achha, 4 2s 8 है. अच्छा 4 4 16 है. अच्छा 4 5 20 24.5 grams. 24.5 grams. But they asked the question once again. You read the question है. Amount of 50% sulfuric acid. अच्छा actually required 25.4 है, but it is not 100% है. अच्छा 50% में कितना लेना 49 है. अच्छा देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल x ग्राम है यार, x ग्राम का 50% कितना है, that is equal to 24.5. देखो this amount should be x grams. Suppose 10 ग्राम लिया, only 5 ग्राम is obtained. x ग्राम है, देखो ये x ग्राम है, but x ग्राम में 50% is equal to 24.5. What is the x? They are asking the question. X ग्राम में 50% is equal to 24.5 है. What is x है? So x is equal to 100 by 50 into 24.5, which is equal to 49. That means if you take this amount is 49 में 50% is equal to 24.5. So in order to decompose 25 grams, we require 24.5 grams. But answer is they're asking what is the amount of sulfuric acid. They ask the answer should be a 49 grams. Note करो. थोड़ा tricky था question है, but बहुत easy था. Very tricky था, but बहुत easy था. अच्छा, calculate the amount of 50% sulfuric acid required to decompose 25 grams of marble. This is the question asked. Right. चलो, shall we move to next question? देखो very simple है. Balanced chemical equation है. 1 mole में 1 mole है, 100 में 98 है, 25 में कितना है 24.5. अच्छा देखो x ग्राम में 50% is 24.5 है. What is x है? We calculated, right? चलो नोट करो, जल्दी से नोट करो, जल्दी से नोट करो. Question number 3. अच्छा, crystalline salt Na2SO4 XH2O on heating loses 55.9% of its mass and becomes anhydrous. The formula of crystalline salt is. Means what is the value of x they are asking? Indirectly, what is the value of x they are asking? Question note करो वाले. The crystalline salt Na2SO4 dot XH2O dot XH2O dot XH2O dot XH2O loses 55.9% of its mass and become anhydrous. The formula of crystalline salt is. चलो ये फंडा. अच्छा, Na2SO4 dot XH2O on heating Na2SO4 plus XH2. Very simple था. देखो percentage given ना, you take 100 grams of this. 100 grams में loss on eating loss is 55.9. 55.9. This is loss now. 55.9. अच्छा, what is the remaining है? What is the remaining है? Na2SO4 है. Out of 100 में 55.9 this one है. What is the remaining है? 100 minus 55.5. 100 minus 55.9. एक 1 है. अच्छा, ये 4 है. ये भी 4 है. 44.1 ग्राम. This is approximately 44.1 ग्राम. अच्छा, वेरी सिंपल है. 100 में 44.1 ग्राम Na2SO4 indirectly given है. 55.9 is given. Loss in weight. Now we have to calculate it. What we are going to calculate is, we know 142 grams of Na2SO4 is 1 mole. Am I right? Na2SO4 का ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है 23 into 2 46. अच्छा, ये कैलकुलेट करो. 46. चलो आपके लिए मैं ये काटूंगा. ये 46 है. सल्फर के लिए 32 है. ये 64 है. Which is equal to this one. This is nothing but 142 grams. 142 grams is 1 mole. This is how many moles you are going to calculate. Number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. अच्छा, weight obtained is nothing but 44.1 divided by 142. Please calculate what is the number of moles है. Number of moles calculate करो. Approximately 0.31 mole. Approximately 0.31 mole. अच्छा, 0.31 मोल में weight is equal to 100 grams. For your kind of information, 1 mole में weight is equal to gram molecular. For your kind of information, 1 mole में weight is equal to gram molecular weight. अच्छा, 1 mole में weight है. 1 mole में weight is always is equal to gram molecular weight, because number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular. It is equal to 1 means weight is equal to gram molecular weight, right? So we have to calculate 1 mole में कितना है. अच्छा, 1 by 0.31 into 100. कैलकुलेट करो. 1 मोल में वेट कितना है? 100 by 0.3. which is equal to 322.6. 322.6. 322.6. Now come to this portion. Come to this portion. Come to this one. But actually, what is the gram molecular weight of this one? 142 plus 18x. 142 plus 18x. 142 plus 18x is gram molecular weight. But what we got 322.6. What we got 322.6. But we have to calculate x is how much? 322.6 minus 142. approximately, which is equal to 180. X is equal to 10. So what is the formula now? They're asking the formula now. Now what is the formula? Now what is the formula is nothing but Na2CO, Na2SO4, 10H2O. Na2SO4, 10H2O. Once again check. अच्छा, they given loss is 55.9%. ये कितना में 100 में रिमेनिंग क्या है 44. अच्छा 44.1 ग्राम is how many moles है 0.31 मोल है because weight by gram molecular weight है 0.1 मोल 0.31 मोल में 100 ग्राम्स है but for your kind of information 1 mole में weight is equal to gram molecular weight है which is equal to 322. But according to the formula, gram molecular weight is 142 plus 18x. But according to problem, we got 322.6. We solve it. 18x is equal to this much. 180. X is equal to approximately 10. So what is the formula for the compound? Na2SO4 dot 10H2O. This is the formula. This is simple logical question, common sense question. We are not using any formula. So once again, percentage में 100 में 55.9 loss है. Remaining 44. 44.1 means 0.31 mole है. 0.31 मोल में 100 है 1 मोल में कितना है इतना है which is equal to 142 plus 18x. Solve it. X we got it. Note करो. Next question number. Question number note करो. From 200 mg of CO2, when X molecules are removed, 2.89 into 10 power minus 3 moles of CO2 are left. What will be the X molecules? Question है, read the question है. From 200 mg of CO2, when X molecules are removed, the number of moles left are given 2.89 10 power minus 3 moles is left. Then what will be the X? चलो ये 2 points है you need to find, we need to know that. Point number 1 है 1 mole of CO2 is Avogadro number of molecules. Am I right? 1 mole of CO2 is Avogadro number of molecules. 1 mole of CO2 Avogadro number of molecules. But number of moles left is given, na? Number of CO2 left moles are given, eh? Achha, I need to convert into moles into molecules. Left molecules, eh? Here given moles, eh? I convert into molecules, eh? Number of CO2 leftover molecules, eh? अच्छा 2.89 into 10 power minus 3 into 6 into 10 power 23. अच्छा mole into molecule we get now total number of molecules. 1 mole Avogadro number है. This many moles into Avogadro number है. अच्छा calculate करो, simply calculate करो. 2.89. अच्छा देखो 2.89 into 6 into 10 power 20. अच्छा 2.89 into 6 है. अच्छा चलो मैंने ऐसा छोड़ दिया. नेक्स्ट और which is equal to 17.34 into 10 power 20. नेक्स्ट में अच्छा नोट करो, यहां तक नोट करो, पहले यहां तक नोट करो. प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस वन. Please note down this one. मतलब यहाँ सिंपल थिंग है 2.89 into 10 power minus 3 moles हमको कितना आया 17.34 into 10 power 20 molecules आया. अच्छा after calculating 2.89 10 power minus 3 moles of CO2 का मतलब how many molecules है? This many molecules. once again. First I calculated the number of moles of CO2 left. Instead of moles I go for molecules. अच्छा देखो ये molecules मैंने किए हमको मेरा को आया 17.34 × 10⁻20 molecules है लिखो जल्दी लिखो 200 milligrams of CO2 में how many molecules है number of molecules का फॉर्मूला weight by gram molecular weight into Avogadro number. अच्छा weight is given 200 mg 200 into 10⁻³ grams divided by gram molecular weight of CO2 is 44 into Avogadro number is nothing but 6 into 10⁻23. अच्छा ये 12 by 44 into 10 square है 10⁻³ है 10⁻23 है so मतलब ये वैल्यू 12 by 44 into 10⁻22 10⁻22 मतलब ये वैल्यू 0.27 into 10⁻22 or 27 into 10⁻20 मतलब मेरा को ये वाला 200 mg of CO2 में कितना मॉलिक्यूल्स है 27 into 10⁻20 मॉलिक्यूल्स ये 17.3 10⁻20 मॉलिक्यूल्स है लेफ्ट ओवर now question is very seems to be very easy there are 3 questions are given in one problem में now देखो 200 milligrams of CO2 how many molecules है we got it this molecules है just formula weight by gram molecular weight into Avogadro number I got number of molecules which is equal to 27 into 10⁻22 20 molecules left over कितना है 17.3 into 10⁻20 molecules है now question is asked देखो now question is not completed still not completed है अब this number of molecule x molecules are removed देखो 27 into 10⁻20 minus x number of molecules are removed then left over is equal to 17.34 into 10⁻20 molecules है calculate value what is the value of x calculate what is the value of x that's it so 27 into 10⁻20 minus 17.34 into 10⁻20 which is equal to x मतलब approximately 10 into 20 10⁻20 common factor करो 27 minus 17 approximately अच्छा वो वाला 10 है मतलब x value is equal to approximately 10⁻19 molecules अच्छा x value is equal to 10⁻19 molecules अच्छा 3 questions है from this number of molecule x molecules are removed this is the leftover molecules what is the value of x they are asking 10⁻19 molecules are value of x note करो जल्दी very simple 200 milligrams molecular calculate किया इस number of moles में molecular calculate किया given statement लिखा number of molecule minus x is equal to leftover molecules है x value calculate किया by using simple calculations x is equal to 10⁻19 molecules so x is equal to 10⁻19 molecules our answer is also 10⁻19 molecules I think this is 3 steps process है चलो shall I move to next question है अच्छा, फॉर काइंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फर्स्ट नोट करो 10 grams of MnO2 on reaction with HCl, 10 grams of MnO2 on reaction with HCl forms 2.24 liters of Cl to STP. The percentage impurity of MnO2 is how much? The percentage impurity of MnO2 is how much? The percentage impurity of MnO2 is how much? चलो एक इक्वेशन आपके लिए MnO2 which are given NCERT textbook also 4HCl gives rise to MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. This is the equation. But now you can compare MnO2 and Cl2 का comparison है. देखो comparison है. अच्छा, 1 mole of MnO2. अच्छा, 1 mole of Cl2 according to the Balanced chemical equation है. But 1 mole में 22.4 liters STP है. But 1 mole of MnO2 weighs 87 grams है. But question में they ask करें 2.24 है. 2.24 liters है. Then 2.24 divided by 22.4 into 87 है. अच्छा, 1/10 है, 8.7 grams है. 8.7 grams है. But they're asking percentage purity है. अच्छा, actually taken is 10 grams है, but utilized only 8.7 grams है into 100. अच्छा, they want percentage impurity they are asking. चलो ये परसेंटेज प्यूरिटी आ गया. परसेंटेज प्यूरिटी कितना हो गया? कितना होगा परसेंटेज प्यूरिटी? 0 कैंसिल करो, 87 हो गया. अच्छा, प्यूरिटी 87 है, बट जास्त इंप्यूरिटी है. अच्छा, इंप्यूरिटी कितना है? इंप्यूरिटी हाउ मच है? 13% है. अच्छा, read the question carefully. They ask the impurity of MnO2, not purity of the MnO2. Impurity nothing but 13% है, purity is 87% है. अच्छा, like questions also previous class we discussed it. 10 grams of MnO2 on reaction with HCl to forms 2.2 liters of Cl to STP. The percentage impurity of MnO2 is how much? ठीक है, एक बार नोट करो. अगर सेम इक्वेशन given which are given NCERT textbook है और NCERT textbook है, so this kind of question they may ask you. This kind of question they may ask you. अच्छा, how many moles of magnesium phosphate will contain 0.25 mole of oxygenate? Now question है, note करो. How many moles of magnesium phosphate? How many moles of magnesium phosphate will contain 0.25 mole of oxygen atoms? अच्छा, इस previous class का question है, JEE का question भी था. For a kind of information, 1 mole of magnesium phosphate में अच्छा how many mole of oxygen है? देखो, we know atomicity into Avogadro number is number of atoms only, but they're asking number of only oxygen atoms are 4 into 8, मतलब 8 into Avogadro number of atoms. But Avogadro number of atoms को मैंने मोल कंसीडर करूंगा, मतलब 1 mole of magnesium phosphate 8 mole of oxygen है. पर क्वेश्चन में ask 0.25 मोल में कितना है? 0.25 0.5 shall I write 1/4 1/5 mole of oxygen में how many mole of magnesium phosphate they are asking? अच्छा, 1/4 divided by 8 into 1 है, which is equal to 1/32 mole. Answer is 1/32 mole. So 1 by 32, which is equal to 0.03125. Or some previous 3.125 into 10 power minus 2 scientific notation में. अच्छा डेसिमल पॉइंट ये 2 पॉइंट मूव किया 10 power minus 4. 3.1 into 10 3.125 into 10 power minus 2 is the answer. नोट करो जल्दी से. वन मोल में 8 moles of oxygen है. 1/4 mole of oxygen में how many moles of magnesium phosphate are asked? Now question number 7. Hemoglobin contains. Next question number 7 है. Hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron by weight. Molecular weight of hemoglobin is approximately 67,200. How many iron atoms are present in 1 molecule of hemoglobin? Once again, hemoglobin contains 0.33% of iron by weight. Molecular weight of hemoglobin is approximately 67,200. How many iron atoms are present in 1 molecule of hemoglobin? देखो hemoglobin containing 0.33% of iron by weight. Molecular weight of hemoglobin is approximately this much. Now चलो. What is the meaning of this one? For every 100 grams of hemoglobin Hb, 0.33 grams of iron. This is the statement is given. So, but what is the molecular weight of hemoglobin is? 100 grams में 0.33 grams of iron है. 67,200 grams of hemoglobin में how many iron है? How many iron? देखो 67,200 upon 100 into 0.33, approximately we got 224 grams of iron. अच्छा one iron atom is 56 है. अच्छा नंबर ऑफ आयरन एटम्स चाहिए. नंबर ऑफ आयरन एटम्स है. आयरन एटम्स चाहिए. So 224 by 56 है approximately 4. Right question. For every 100 grams of hemoglobin is 0.33 grams of iron है. But molecular weight of hemoglobin is given 67,200 है. इतना ग्राम्स में how many iron? What is the weight of iron? 224 grams. But एक आयरन एटम का वेट है 56 है. 4 suppose 4 iron atoms are there. 4 into 56 which is equal to 24. बहुत आसान था क्वेश्चन. लाइक चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. चलिए वन सेकेंड आप देख लीजिए, एक बार नोट करो जल्दी. कॉन्सेप्ट आपको आना चाहिए. अच्छा Na2CO3 एक सैंपल है. सैंपल में Na2CO3 and CaCO3. अच्छा previous class also we discussed it is stable on heating. But it is unstable on heating. देखो which is unstable है उसको let's imagine x. ये सैंपल में ये x ग्राम है. अच्छा ये होगा 20 minus x ग्राम. अच्छा ये मिक्सर is given Na2CO3 and CaCO3. अच्छा while heating also Na2CO3 is stable on heating but calcium carbonate is unstable. उन्होंने क्या किया? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को हीट किया. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड CO2. अच्छा फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन सिंपल थिंग 1 mole of calcium carbonate हीट చేస్తే अच्छा 1 mole of अच्छा, here produce wall CO2. This is a CO2. Sorry, you can write CO2 at STP. अच्छा, 1 mole of CO2 produce. मतलब 100 grams में 22.4 liters of CO2 at STP. But problem में दिया 2.24 liters only. After heating, it can produce only 2.24. मतलब अच्छा, 100 grams में 22.4 है, if it is 2.24 है, 2.24 by 22.4 है into 100 है, तो कितना हो गया? 10 हो गया. मतलब कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का वेट कितना आ गया? 10 आ गया. इसका वेट 10 आ गया, मतलब x 10 आ गया. अच्छा, 20 माइनस x कितना हो गया? ये भी 10 हो गया. x वैल्यू वी गॉट 10 है. x 10 means 20 minus x is also 10 है. They're asking percentage weight of Na2CO3. अच्छा, percentage weight of Na2CO3. अच्छा, टोटल वेट लिया 20 है. 20 में वेट ऑफ Na2CO3 10 है, into 100 है, we get 50% है. हाँ से 50% है. Simplify now. Out of two compounds में one is stable on heating, another is unstable. Which is unstable? उनको x imagine करो. Remaining is 20 minus x because total 20 है. अच्छा, simple calculations है. 1 mole of calcium carbonate में 1 mole of CO2 है. 1 mole में 100 grams है, 22.4 है. But problem में दिया 2.24 है. 2.424 is how many grams है? 10 grams है. X value 10 आ गया. This should be 10 minus 20 minus 10 है, 10 है. अच्छा, they're asking percentage weight of Na2CO3. Total weight में 20 में ये 10 है. How much percentage? 50%. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नोट करो. Air contains 20% of oxygen by volume. How many cc? How many cc or ml? How many cc or ml of air will be required for oxidation of 100 cc of ethylene? अच्छा, air containing 20% O2 by volume, how many ml of air will be required for oxidation of 100 cc of acetylene? अच्छा, एसिटिलीन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? C2H2. अच्छा, बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन है. सॉरी, बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन है x plus y by 4. अच्छा, x plus y by 4 कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ O2, 2 plus 2 by 4, 5 by 2. अच्छा, 5 by 2 O2 gives rise to 2 CO2 plus H2. अच्छा, एक बार इक्वेशन लिखो भाले. First you write the equation. We might know that equation. अच्छा, acetylene है, combustion with oxygen है. This is equation. अच्छा, now you can compare ethylene and O2. Now you can compare ethylene, both are gases only. Ethylene and O2. मतलब 1 mole of ethylene required 5 by 2 mole of O2 for combustion. 1 mole of ethylene requires 5 by 2 mole of O2 for combustion. देखो, they are asking cc में ना. 1 mole of any gas आपको पैसा वॉल्यूम ऑफ 22,400 cc में, ml में 22.4 ml में, लीटर्स में 22.4 है. अच्छा, which is equal to 5 by 2 into 22,400 cc. देखो, 1 mole of any gas में this much. But given problem में given 100 cc में, 100 cc है. अच्छा, ये इसलिए का 100 चाहिए, वो 100 चाहिए. 100 cc में how much volume of O2 is required? How much volume of O2 is required in 100 cc में? देखो, 100 by 22,400 into 5 by 2 into 22,400. अच्छा ये गैस में क्या करूंगा? अच्छा ये 250 सीसी आ गया, ऑक्सीजन 250 सीसी आ गया, ऑक्सीजन 250 सीसी आ गया, बट दे नॉट आस्किंग ऑक्सीजन है, दे आर आस्किंग एयर का वॉल्यूम, दे आर आस्किंग एयर का वॉल्यूम है, द हाउ मेनी सीसी ऑफ एयर दे आर आस्किंग है, बट वी गॉट ऑक्सीजन है, वी गॉट ऑक्सीजन है, बट दे आर आस्किंग एयर है। इसका हिंट दिया, इसका हिंट दिया, क्या दिया हिंट? एयर कंटेनिंग 20% ऑफ फूड, दैट मींस 100 सीसी ऑफ एयर में, 100 सीसी एयर में 20 सीसी ऑक्सीजन होता है, मीनिंग ऑफ 20% मींस 100 सीसी ऑफ एयर में 20 सीसी ऑक्सीजन होता है, बट हाउ मच ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज, वी गॉट इट 250 सीसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन वी वांट टू, we required, so how much air of, how much ml of air, how much cc of air is required? अच्छा देखो 250 by 20 into 100, अच्छा कैलकुलेट करो, ये हो गया, सिंपल है, 2500 अपॉन 2, अच्छा देखो 1250, देखो 1250, सो आंसर इज 1250 सीसी। नाउ यहां तक प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हुआ, इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ओनली, बट क्वेश्चन इज आस्क कर रहा है एयर का वॉल्यूम है, 100 सीसी ऑफ एयर में 20 सीसी ऑफ O2 है, but 250 cc of oxygen is required, then how much of air is wanted, they want, so which is equal to 1250 cc of air is required। नोट करो ये प्रॉब्लम, देखो ये आइसोब्यूटेन नॉट ब्यूटेन, सॉरी आइसोब्यूटेन नॉट ब्यूटेन, आइसोब्यूटेन, आइसोब्यूटेन नोट करो, if isobutane and n-butane, note करो, isobutane and n-butane are present in a gas, then how much oxygen should be required for complete combustion of 10 kg of this gas? देखो isobutane and butane, isobutane and butane are present in a gas, then how much oxygen should be required for complete combustion of 10 kg of this gas? Correct question. N-butane and isobutane, they are isomers. Isomers means same molecular formula. अच्छा, for your kind of information, you might know organic chemistry very well. इसका formula C4H10. C4H10. Isobutane का formula, N-butane का formula C4H10. अच्छा, this anaerobous combustion, this anaerobous combustion, अच्छा C4H10 plus O2 gives rise to 4CO2 5H2. For your kind of information, what is the coefficient of O2? Coefficient of O2 is nothing but x plus y by 4. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 10, 10 by 4. अच्छा 4 plus ये 5 by 2, 5 by 2, मतलब ये 13 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2, so 13 by 2. But ये n-butane, isobutane also same है, isobutane also same है, then I can do one thing, in case of isobutane के लिए मैं 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, अच्छा n-butane also C4H10, isobutane also C4H10, 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, अच्छा यहाँ 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, यहाँ से 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, देन क्या करूंगा 2C4H10, अच्छा 13 वोल्ट प्लस 13 O2 gives rise to 8CO2 plus 10H2, 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई किया मैंने, 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई किया, Now question now comparison is isobutane and butane and comparison is oxygen. Oxygen का comparison. These two are comparison. These two are comparison. अच्छा for 2 moles of N-butane है 4 into 12 48 है plus 10 है 58 है multiply 58 है. अच्छा 2 into 58 grams है. Then how much oxygen should be required? अच्छा this is a 13 into 22.4 liters of O2 required at STP. When you take a 2 into 58 grams of N-butane, then 13 into 22.4 liters of O2 STP required. But the problem is, in our problem they have mentioned, they are given 10 kg of this gas, not 2 into 58 grams, 10 kg है. 10 kg का मतलब 10 into 10.3 grams. 10 kg का मतलब 10 into 10.3 grams. So calculate करो. 10.4 divided by 2 into 58, 13 into 22.4. कैलकुलेट कर. इसका वैल्यू है पूरा वैल्यू है 2.5. 2.5 into 10 power 4 liters मतलब 2500 liters सर. 2500 liters सर required. अच्छा how much oxygen in terms of gas also, in terms of weight also. If suppose we want to weight है converted into 32. देखो how much volume of oxygen required? This much of volume of oxygen is required. वॉल्यूम को वेट में कन्वर्ट करना वेरी इजी है. 22.4 liters is equal to 32 grams है. इसमें नहीं दे सकते how many grams. Suppose if they want to calculate weight है, we need to calculate weight also. Number of neutrons in a drop of water. अच्छा first at 4 degrees density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. At 4 degrees density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. That by default you might know very well. अच्छा number of neutrons in a drop of water. देखो 1 mole of water में how many neutrons है? अच्छा न्यूट्रॉन्स है ऑक्सीजन 860 है, हाइड्रोजन 11 है. ये नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स है 0, नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स है 8 है. ऑक्सीजन में 8 है, हाइड्रोजन में 0 है. सो मतलब 8 into 6 into 10 power 23 न्यूट्रॉन्स. अच्छा आप भी लिखो. अच्छा 1 मोल ऑफ वाटर में 8 into 6 into 10 power 23 न्यूट्रॉन्स. अच्छा 1 mole of water weighs how much? 18 grams. 18 grams of water में 8 into 6 into 10 power 23 neutrons. For a kind of information, density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. 1 ml में 1 gram. 1 gram का मतलब 1 ml है. 18 grams का मतलब 18 ml है. अच्छा 18 ग्राम्स का मतलब 18 ml है. 18 ml ऑफ वाटर में 8 into 6 into 10 power 23 न्यूट्रॉन्स है. बट 1 ml में हाउ मेनी ड्रॉप्स है? 20 ड्रॉप्स है. सो 18 into 1 ml में 20 ड्रॉप, 18 into 20 drops of water, 8 into 6 into 10 power 23 neutrons. अच्छा 1 drop में how many neutrons are they're asking in a drop of water? 1 drop में. So 1 by 18 20 18 to 20, so 18 to 6 into 10 power 20. अच्छा कैलकुलेट करो। अच्छा 6 1 सर 6 3 सर। अच्छा देखो हाँ ये कैलकुलेट करो 8 by 60 8 by 60 8 by 60 is nothing but 0.13 3 into 10 power 20. So one drop में how many neutrons? This number of neutrons are there. Or 133 in 10 power 20. Or which is equal to 133 into 10 power 20. This number of neutrons are there. चलो नेक्स्ट। अच्छा वेरी सिंपल है। 1 मोल में 8 इंटू अवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स है। 1 मोल में 18 ग्राम्स को कन्वर्ट किया अगर ग्राम मल्टीप्लाइड 18 है, बट 1 ग्राम में 1 ml है, 18 ग्राम में 18 ml है। 1 ml में 20 ड्रॉप्स दिया, 18 20 1 ड्रॉप में कितना? सिंपल कैलकुलेशंस, नोट कर सिंपल कैलकुलेशंस। अच्छा वेपर डेंसिटी ऑफ द मिक्सचर NO2 and 2O4 is given 34.5 है, and percentage abundance of the NO2 in the mixture is, अच्छा वेपर डेंसिटी ऑफ द मिक्सचर ऑफ NO2 and 2O4 is given 34.5 है, the percentage abundance of NO2 in the mixture is, चलो एक काम करूंगा, we know 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight। अच्छा molecular weight is nothing but 2 into vapor density of 34.5, which is equal to 69, but this molecular weight is a mixer है, sample है, एवरेज molecular weight है। so देखो एवरेज मॉलिक्यूलर वेट का फॉर्मूला होता है सिग्मा MIX, सिग्मा MIX। अच्छा एवरेज मॉलिक्यूलर वेट का फॉर्मूला 69 इज इक्वल टू, अच्छा मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ NO2 46 है, 14 प्लस 32 46 है, 46 इंटू, अच्छा आउट ऑफ 100 में सपोज आउट ऑफ 100 में x इमेजिन करो, x by 100, x by 100 टोटल परसेंट 100। आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर है व्हेन आई डिस्कस्ड एयर में N2O2 ये 80% है, ये 20% है। हमने क्या किया 28 into 80 by 100 है, x by 100 है प्लस, अच्छा रेस्ट N2O4 इज डबल है 92 इंटू यहाँ 100 माइनस x बाय 100। अच्छा ये देखो ये 80 है, अच्छा इसका देखो एवरेज मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ एयर का कैसा कैलकुलेट किया मैंने, 28 इंटू 80 बाय 100 है, अच्छा 20 इंटू सॉरी 32 इंटू 32 इंटू 20 बाय 100 मैंने कैलकुलेट किया ऐसा। अच्छा 80 को x लिया, 20 को 100 माइनस 80 लिया, सेम फॉर्मूला आई अप्लाइड, इस सेम फॉर्मूला आई अप्लाइड है। चलो इट इज नॉट रिलेवेंट है, बट आई रिमाइंडेड यू व्हाट फॉर्मूला वी यूज्ड, व्हाट फॉर्मूला यू जस्ट आई रिमाइंडेड यू, दैट्स इट। अच्छा आप x कैलकुलेट करो, खत्म होता है हमारा प्रॉब्लम, खत्म होता है, x कैलकुलेट करो। अच्छा ये काम करो, ये 1000 को LCM 100 को LCM इस साइड लाओ, 6900 इज इक्वल टू 46x। अच्छा ये वाला कितना 9200 माइनस 92x। अच्छा ये 92x माइनस 46 माइनस 92 माइनस 46 इसका इधर लाओ 46x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6900। अच्छा 46x इज इक्वल टू कितना है 92 माइनस 69 which is equal to 2300। अच्छा x का वैल्यू कितना है 2300 डिवाइड बाय 46 approximately 50%। अच्छा x 50% means this should be x is what do we use it? X is equal NO2 is a x है N2O4 is 100 minus x है abundance we are use। अच्छा we got x is equal to 50 है मतलब ये वाला भी 50 होता है। देखो वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मूला एवरेज मार्केट वेट का फॉर्मूला सिग्मा mi x है। ये भी यहाँ भी CO2 है। अच्छा यहाँ भी CO2 है। क्वेश्चन लिखो how much amount of calcium carbonate in grams having percentage purity 50% produces 0.56 liters of CO2 at STP on heating। Once again read the question है how much amount of calcium carbonate अच्छा CaCO3 CaO plus CO2 अच्छा कंपेरिजन है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का और CO2 का कंपेयर। अच्छा यहाँ वेट है 100 grams of calcium carbonate gives 22.4 liters of CO2 at STP। But in our problem they have given 0.56 liters। In our problem they given 0.56 liters of CO2। मतलब ये कितना होता है 0.56 by 22.4 into 100। I think you can do the problem। You are very good in calculations। अच्छा ये कितना हो गया 56 by 22.4। अच्छा 56 by 22.4 कितना 2.5 grams। Once again यही प्रॉब्लम है। I think today we discuss first question also same problem है। क्या प्रॉब्लम है 50% देखो ये 50% प्यूरिटी ओनली। अच्छा सपोज x से अमाउंट है इसमें 50% is equal to 2.5। what is the x value they are asking है what is the x value they are asking है how much amount of calcium carbonate that is 50% में। अच्छा 50% में we got 22.5 है what is x है अच्छा x is equal to 100 by 50 into 2.5 which is equal to 5 grams। अच्छा one more steps extra this what we got 2.5 grams है but question में अब they asked है total calcium 100% not dissociated है 50% only dissociated है that means initial amount कितना है what is the initial amount है 5 grams है 5 grams 50% 2.5 है। Once again you read the question this kind of questions asked frequently in previous class का NEET का क्वेश्चन है APMT का क्वेश्चन है